Today, we are diving deep into an essential topic that impacts nearly every aspect of the modern digital world: web development. This is the field responsible for bringing websites and web applications to life, enabling us to browse, shop, communicate, and much more online. By the end of this video, viewers will understand what web development entails, its main types, and the skills necessary to start in this field. So, let's get started. At its core, web development is the process of building and maintaining websites and web applications. This involves coding, designing, and configuring online platforms that are accessible through the internet or a private network, known as an intranet. Web development is generally divided into two main components: front-end development, also known as client-side, and back-end development, or server-side. Let's break down each of these. Front-end development, or client-side development, focuses on everything that users directly interact with. This includes the layout, design, and interactive elements of a website. For example, when you navigate to a website and see images, colors, and buttons that respond when clicked, you're experiencing the results of front-end development. Front-end developers use languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, provides the basic structure of the web pages. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is used for styling and visual elements. JavaScript, on the other hand, allows developers to create dynamic content that can respond to user actions in real time. On the other side, backend development, or server-side development, is where the data processing and management take place. Think of it as the engine of a website, where all the data needed for the site to function properly is processed and stored. Backend developers work with languages such as PHP, Python, Ruby, and frameworks like Django or Node.js. Additionally, they work with databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB to store and retrieve data, which is then sent back to the front end for users to see and interact with. Now, a full-stack developer is someone who can handle both front-end and back-end development tasks. They are skilled in creating the entire web application, from how it looks to how it functions behind the scenes. Full-stack development is a highly valuable skill, as it allows developers to understand and manage all aspects of web development. Web development is not just about building websites, it plays a crucial role in the digital ecosystem. Websites serve as the primary source of information and interaction for businesses, organizations, and individuals. Whether you're accessing an e-commerce site, reading a blog, or connecting through social media, web development has made it all possible. Web development allows businesses to reach a global audience, deliver information efficiently, and even gather valuable insights into user behavior. In fact, the quality of web development can impact a brand's reputation, user engagement, and even revenue. Let's talk about the key skills needed to succeed in web development. These skills include both technical knowledge and soft skills. As mentioned, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are foundational for front-end development. For back-end, understanding server management, databases, and back-end programming languages like Python or PHP is essential. Knowledge of tools like Git, which helps in version control, is also invaluable. Soft skills are equally important. Problem solving. Web developers often troubleshoot issues in real time, so a problem-solving mindset is crucial. Attention to detail. Coding requires precision, as even a small error can lead to significant issues. Adaptability. Technology evolves quickly, so staying updated with the latest trends and tools in web development is necessary. For those interested in web development, the journey typically starts with learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. From there, You can dive deeper into specific front-end or back-end technologies, depending on your interest. Online platforms like FreeCodeCamp, Code Academy, and Coursera offer excellent courses to help beginners get started. Many developers begin by creating simple projects, such as personal portfolios or small interactive applications. This allows them to build a portfolio and showcase their skills to potential employers or clients. To summarize, web development is a dynamic and evolving field that combines creativity with technical expertise. By understanding the basics of front-end and back-end development, as well as full-stack development, anyone can begin a journey toward a career in this space. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out our next video, where we'll dive into the different programming languages used in web development and how to choose the best one for your projects.